Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we are going to study chapter 3, which is editing in GIMP. We have already discussed this chapter in Zoom class, but again we are repeating this chapter. Alright. So before starting the chapter, we will start with what is GIMP and what is use of GIMP. GIMP. So what is GIMP? GIMP stands for Genie Image Manipulation Program. It is also known as GIMP. So GIMP is a photo editing software and it is an open source software that allows us to edit image. Means it is a free of cost software. We can download it and we can use GIMP free of cost. So by using GIMP we can edit images. We can draw in GIMP also. This is one of the again a basic feature of GIMP. We can draw on it like we draw on MS Paint. As you can see on the screen, this is the standard window of GIMP. So first is image window. The image window displays the image created or opened in GIMP. And GIMP allows you to create or open different images in separated window. Alright. Second is image title bar. This bar displays name of your image. Third one is menu bar. Menu bar contains the main menu command. All commands are again in the menu bar. Like file, edit, select, view, image, layer, color, tools, filter, window, help. These all are known as menu bar. Then main toolbox, it contains icon of different tools. You can select a tool from the section. Now tool options. Tool option displays different properties of the currently selected tools. We can set various values or options for the currently selected tool from the section. Now the sixth one is layer dialogs. Layer allows us to work with one segment of an image at a time. We can add multiple layers to an image in GIMP where selection display the layers structure for the currently opened image. Now seventh one is brushes, pattern and font dialog box on your right hand side. It displays you to manage brushes, pattern and fonts for an image or text. Is how to create new file on GIMP. So for that we have to click on new, or we can just press Ctrl N. This is the shortcut key for opening a new file on GIMP. After that, from drop down list, click the new option. This is the image of file menu and this is the new option. And there you can see the Ctrl N is mentioned. The create new image dialog box will appear. The below image you can see the create a new image box dialog box is there. In this box width and height is mentioned. Width box, enter the required width for your image. In the height box you have to enter height for your image. Or you can select the orientation by clicking portrait icon or landscape icon also. After that, all the changes you can click on OK button. As you can see in the screen, this is the blank new image file. Drawing objects. GIMP is a photo editing software as we all know. However, we can create drawings in GIMP using different drawing tools just like MS Paint. In MS Paint also we have pencil, paintbrush, selection tools that help us to create drawings. Alright. So to create drawing in GIMP, we have to first open GIMP, then create a new file, or we can just simply press Ctrl N to create a new file. Okay. On the image window, click the tool menu, then tool menu will appear. Point to paint tools. A list of paint option appears. Okay. Then as you can see in the screen, this is the tool menu on your left hand side, in the right hand side the paint tool. So in tool option there are several options like selection tool, paint tool, transform tools, and in paint tools, we have pencils, paintbrush, eraser, airbrush, bucket fill, all options are there. We have to simply just go on tool menu. After that we have to go on paint tool. From paint tool we can choose anything what we would like to choose, like pencil or paintbrush. Then change the foreground color as you like. For example, change the foreground color to pink to draw a flower. 7 point. Place the mouse pointer on the white blank area. After that, press and hold the left mouse button and start drawing. As you draw on MS Paint, just like you have to draw on GIMP. Then your drawing is completed. Release the mouse button. Alright. Now, as you can see, if we will draw a flower, you can see this will look like this. Okay. What we have to do, again I am telling, we have to go on tool menu. After that, from there we have to go on paint tool. Then from paint tool we have to choose brush or pencil as per our choice. Then whatever we want to draw, we just have to draw on the blank image area. Then we have to release the mouse. Okay, and we can change as per our choice foreground and background color also. By default, foreground color is black and background color is white. So class, please practice this at your home. If you have laptop or computer, just download the GIMP app and practice. Till then, we'll be coming with the next video shortly. Alright, with the new topic of GIMP. Thank you class. Thank you.